don't need to show, but I've been through some. I can see it, I can too. I see what's in my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the God. And you see me holding up on me, the freedom to the world. Fucking reasons in your mind. I'm not just a liquor. I'm out in jail.